Hello. We're playing... Okay, no, I'm going to explain a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, alright. So I was sitting here, right, and I was thinking to myself, like, oh,
why
Game
is there a
Pass...
camera shake thing?
I don't know.
What's going to shake the camera?
Probably the person's probably going to get scared.
As a person.
The person I'm playing.
Oh. Can you see your footsies?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, okay, so I was on Game
God,
Pass.
be a man.
And I was, like, looking for a horror game, and there wasn't any. So I typed in free horror games on Google. And this one was in, like, a list of, like, top scariest horror games for free. Also, I'm notoriously bad at playing horror games because I'm a pussy. Let's go. Ugh. Do you think we can go in here?
Hmm?
Do you want to take the stairs or the elevator?
Elevator, are you joking?
I want to go to level 0. That's 6. 0.
Why are they...
Yeah, why is it all mixed up like that?
Yeah. Actually, no, it's not. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm just stupid.
Can I not jump? This is the wrong floor. Don't do that shit.
Alright, who has a smoking problem? Did you just... Yo, ain't no way.
I thought that was something.
Bro, who is heavy breathing in my ear? 'Cause that sounds like somebody's like...
I can't hear your side. All I hear is like them.
Well, I hate to alarm you that there's very heavy breathing. Very heavy.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? I mean exactly what I mean. In your left side, somebody's breathing in your ear. Oh. But was that you that moved?
The lamp. Yeah.
What's there? What's there? What's like to your left? Oh. What's through there? Ew. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's some disturbing sounds going on.
I hear
right
that.
now.
Yeah, I hear that. Okay. Oh, look this way. Yeah, thank you. Whoa! That's my shadow.
Heavy breathing.
I hear
back.
it now. I hear the breathing. I don't like this game. So I don't
It reminds me of
know
like the back rooms. Mate, you just walk back into the same room.
I know, so I'm gonna see if I can get back in the elevator. So that's a dead end. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna kill myself.
You need a crowbar.
Okay.
There's a black bag. Maybe look in the black bag. Or is it in the fire with the fire hose? That what's happening here?
I must be able to open this. Oh, okay. The whole. Oh no, it's locked. Okay, it's like.
Wait, what's that on the floor?
Cigarettes.
Oh.
What is that?
Is that a mouse? Oh. Yeah, but
So
oh
sorry,
no.
sir.
There's a fly there.
Do you have a crowbar?
No, mate. He doesn't even have a heart, mate.
I don't like how it's so dark because I can't see anything. Okay, this is
I think
light
that's the
over
point,
here.
mate. Something's around here. Do you hear that?
What, the heartbeat?
No.
Like the.
Something's eating something.
Oh, was it? Oh.
You hear? Somebody's ASMRing in my ear, Sinead. Sinead is near you.
I think they're in there.
Sinead. Is this game about cannibals? I'm convinced. There was a dead body and I didn't know where it came from. You think I would pick up that fire hydrant as a goddamn weapon? You think I wouldn't? Because I would.
Oh, can I open this
What?
one?
Did you not just see that? Someone just went behind there. Are you mad?
What?
Bro, that was a person! What do you mean, what? Are you blind?
I was staring at this.
Are you blind? That shit just pissed me off. Wait, is it open now? Look, it's half open.
What is that?
That's an eyeball! Yo. Ew.
So a crowbar and a generator.
Did you see it now?
No.
You're clearly mentally challenged, aren't you?
Alright, can you not munch? Alright, there's not even a generator down there.
Oh wait, maybe use that lamp. Can you use that lamp over there? To like turn it? Oh, flashlight! Oh my god. We're stupid.
Okay.
Now you
Can I turn it off? Is it going to require batteries?
I don't think it is, otherwise it would have shown that. Yeah, now we can go down here.
Fuck me!
Jesus Christ! Oh my god.
That's just gonna shit out of me.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
moving on. Is it very nice of you, sir? Oh, my heart just restarted. Alright. Okay, you're also locked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it just goes back in like it once.
Fuck.
Okay, wait, now I can see down here though. I don't like how the music's more advanced now.
Yeah. Oh, making my chest look funny. Door.
That's the end of it.
Oh. That's the generator. Is that ready in front of you? No, it's not. Yes?
No, but this wasn't here. Oh, this is what I could break with a crowbar. Okay, I couldn't see any of this before.
What's that say? Attention, extremely dangerous maniac at height 25 meters, age 30, cuts away
Homeless may hide in abandoned buildings or basements. Is it because I clicked level 0? And in the
Read.
basement.
The police asked for assistance in. Are you joking? So a dangerous man and the police asking for assistance. Do your job. I don't have a revolver like you. Are you joking?
I feel like that's there for a reason. This is where he's sleeping. No. Well, the man might be the one we saw over there dead.
I really hope not. That means someone's more dangerous than him.
What's this? Can we get behind this?
Can we get on that beanie? Just get into the room. You have to. I'm gonna have multiple mattresses. Better not be in there. No, open it. Why can't you open shit? Oh, so he's a cigarette smoker. What, you telling me you walked to like a corner shop and bought a bloody ciggies?
No, there must be something to do in this room, or we wouldn't be able to do anything.
Yo.
Oh.
No.
Oh, matey.
No.
Oh, we can't go back in there. Why is he staring at me like that?
Why was his finger so long?
Oh, I don't want to move the camera.
Oh no.
Oh, matey.
It's funny how slow the guy was, just like, casually like bopped back, like
I'm
behind
so
him.
what? It's not funny anymore.
It was funny for like 1 second. Oh no.
He really said, nah, I'm gonna go.
Did he go through that door maybe?
No.
Don't walk in like that. Are you okay in the head? What if he just grabbed you up by your nut? Why did you just
He
stare
opened
at
the
me?
door.
I told you. I knew that before the bang was. That was calculated.
Does that mean he's just in there?
Probably. Oh, fuck me. Shane, do we need to go in there?
Oh. Oh, mate. Are you showing me?
breathing heavily. What is that? Umbrella?
I don't know what that is.
So much heavy breathing going on right now.
That's locked.
Oh, he's really tall in it.
Yeah, he's a dirty bitch. That's what he is.
What are you doing, my guy?
I'm gonna just carry on walking. Is that alright with you?
No, he's gonna come up and grab you from behind. What's up there? The code behind the red cabinet. Alright, we need a red cabinet.
Oh.
Fucking pipe, you dickhead!
I can't take no more. Alright, red cabinet up my bumhole. Where is this cabinet?
Wait, that thing? That's orange.
I can't even like. I can't even get.
It's orange anyway. Red cabinet. Wait.
That wasn't there before.
That's a fucking selfie. Ugh.
My
You
man.
demented guy. What happened?
Oh my god! Ow!
What should happen? You punched yourself in the face with the mic. How'd you just get the fuck out of me? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Only you somehow acting managed to get injured.
First of all, sir.
He took it. He took the fucking picture back, bastard. That cabinet, maybe? Is it? Can you look behind it? No. Wait. No. Sad. Did you just fucking break my flashlight? Oh no.
I don't know where I'm going. I can't see.
There we go, there we go, there we go. What the fuck is that? Look at the screen!
I don't need to know.
Look at the screen! Why is it red? Oh no, that's... Yo, it's actually vibey. Don't lie, innit? Low-key. He's opened up another fucking door. Sinead's walking behind us. Sinead's behind us.
Really, he's not behind us.
Sinead's behind us.
No, because that was where I turned on the jump scare and I can't
Sinead.
deal with that.
Sinead's behind us.
Leave. I'm not here.
Sinead, Jesus Christ, you can't look away. Fuck. Oh?
Oh. The red cabinet's not gotta be in that room, innit?
Huh?
The red cabinet's gotta be in that room.
The what?
The red cabinet.
Oh. I thought you said the red cab.
Oh, but he came out this way. Is he gonna be
It looks
in
like your
there?
bedroom. Go in there. Why are you just walking past
No, because I
it?
thought he was gonna be in here. Because he broke him from inside.
It's a fucking red room, like from the dark web. Who you gonna get looked in? Oh no.
Why's my vision all distorted like that?
Oh no. Sinead, something's in here. Sinead, something's in here. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Why is there just a chair?
Oh, my ears.
Is it the timeout room? Why is there a titty on the ceiling?
I don't know.
What is it though?
6 0661.
0661. Wait, no, it's 1990 because the code is upside
Yeah, upside down. Okay.
1990. They tried to trick us and they did not. They wasn't able to. They're not smart.
They're trying to trick us. I have to go down there though. Pull it in.
I like how we just walk past his dead body and not even trying to attempt to see if he's awake. I don't think he is awake. Like,
I think he's past his.
Where's your phone, my guy? $19.90. Alright, next one. $19.90, not $19.91. Open it. You need the fucking crowbar. Could that have been any louder? Literally any louder?
There's
Pick up that
something's gonna
screwdriver.
happen
Huh?
Something's gonna happen.
No, it's not. Don't worry about it.
So I need my
The
crowbar.
spanner. There. They're the crowbars, mate. The green things. Can we not pick up at all? Have you not seen what's been happening? You think I won't pick up that chainsaw, bruv?
Alright, now we've got to go out. Alright, now we know what we're doing. We know what we're doing now. Alright. Don't you worry.
That was the most efficient use of a crowbar I've ever seen. Alright, turn on the fucking generator right now. Right now.
It needs batteries.
No, it fucking doesn't. Twat. The other one? Yeah, the red button. Red lever. No? There.
Is that just on now?
It must be. Wait, what?
Cunt. Open my door.
You can't turn it off again, mate. Alright, do you use the crowbar to try and get through there?
What's gonna happen in this room?
No, wait, Sinead, go to the right bit. You're actually stupid. It wasn't blocked. Where is it? Oh, fuck me!
You didn't need to scream! I reacted internally. No sounds are scary.
It scared me, okay? Alright, go and look at him in the eyes. Go. What?
Why do I want to look at him in the eyes?
Because you need to assert
My body's
dominance.
filled with so much anxiety, my fingertips are cold. Like dead ass. Feel my fingertips.
You need to assert dominance, okay? Yeah. Zoom in on him.
That's the thumbnail.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Why is he smiling?
I don't know. Why isn't he moving? He can open his eyes for a while.
He looks like Joey looks like. He looks like a Titan on cocaine. Do you know what I mean? Or like heroin or something.
If that's a fucking Titan in the show, I'd actually be terrified. Right,
Lily, but we can't go past him though.
You have to. You have to.
Don't mind me,
Didn't say
sir.
turn your back to him though, did I? Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn. Oh my god! Sinead! Sinead! He's disappointed in us. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
All I wanted to do was
Sinead, look at the screen, you're the one playing.
I am looking at the screen.
What do you mean we're not in the elevator? Get in the elevator, you twat! Turn right!
Any.
Oh. You know what? I dropped the headphone. Okay, you know what?
That was actually a good horror game.
That was actually a really good horror game.
Considering it was free.
I thought you could have grabbed us and throw us through a wall. That was my